Well, the main message is just to start to eat healthy and get active every day. We preach getting active for about 60 minutes a day. We definitely preach eating the right way, eating your fruits and vegetables, trying to get away from sugary drinks, drink more water, milk, fruit juices. Yeah, you know what? It was tough, but at the same time, it was also easy at the same time. So, again, I tell the story how a couple teammates kind of took a jab at me and asked if I worked out because they knew I didn't. And, just instantaneously, I made that decision to start eating the right way. And I think that's the biggest thing. When you change your diet around, you automatically see, weight start to come off, your body transforms. And then after that, it's pretty easy because you see the results. And it's just much easier every day to eat the right way because you know that it's the right thing to do. Again, we preach getting active for 60 minutes. So the key is just to get your heart rate up. So when you start to run, your heart beats a little bit faster. You start to huff and puff, and that's what we want them to do. Not sit around and watch TV and play video games, take naps after school. You want to get active. So there's a large list of things. Obviously, if they play a sport, that's good. They can jump rope, go for a run, ride a bike, just simple things like that. And again, just to try and get off the couch and try and not watch TV as much.